On July 2nd, Jeep announced the official launch of the Wrangler, parameters, images, Jurassic World Explorer Edition, with a price tag of 509,900 yuan, and a limited-time fixed price of 469,900 yuan. The new vehicle uses a Jurassic-specific body paint and is equipped with a Jeep Rainforest Explorer upgrade kit. In terms of appearance, it is painted in meteorite gray, inspired by the original landforms of Isla Nublar. The front door panels are printed with prehistoric dinosaur silhouettes, and special red decorative stripes and English letters are added to the hood and rear fenders. The Rainforest Exploration Lift Kit includes a 2-inch lift kit, a Terminator front bumper, front fog lights, a 12,000-pound winch, 4-inch red flame lights on the A-pillars, 7-inch front bumper auxiliary lights, and a multifunction A-pillar bracket. In terms of power, it is equipped with a 2.0T turbocharged engine with a maximum power of 195.4 kilowatts and a peak torque of 405 Nm. The transmission system is paired with an 8-speed manual transmission. The origins of Jeep and the Jurassic series can be traced back to the first Jurassic Park movie in 1993, when the Wrangler YJ appeared as the park's official car. Jeep models continue to play a major role in the rebooted Jurassic World series. This joint venture is a continuation of this classic collaboration and will provide a wealth of options for Jeep fans who love the Jurassic film series.